Very good morning to everyone. My name is Mrs. Nazia Ustad. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to all on the beginning of our new academic year. Firstly, I would like to tell you about myself in brief. I was born and brought up in Ilkal, which is located in Bagalkot district. I have done my whole education in Ilkal itself. I have done my post-graduation in MSc Physics. I have been teaching from 8 years. I have served as an academic coordinator along with the teaching physics and maths in one of the best institutes in Ilkal for 5 years. Later, I joined Sikya PU Women's College in Vijaypura as a physics lecturer. And as you know that last year I had joined one of the best schools of Vijaypura, that is St. Joseph High School, as a physics and maths teacher. As you all know that beginning of something new is always exciting. Here I am talking about the new academic session. A next chapter of your life means a lot of challenges, and it depends on you that how you make the strategy to overcome the challenges. Being a teacher, I strongly feel that each of you is different and unique, but just wanted to say you never compare yourself to anyone because everybody is unique and you cannot be good or perfect in every situation. So always compete yourself, learn from your mistakes, and always keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling. And I wish that the year 2021-22 brings lot of brightness in your life. This year you will enjoy learning physics with me.
Dear students, let us have a brief introduction about physics. As you all know that science is basically or mainly divided into three branches: physics, chemistry and biology. Physics is one of the important branches of science, and it is also known as king of all sciences. Albert Einstein is the father of modern physics, and Galileo Galilei is the father of ancient physics. Now let us see what is meant by physics. Physics, the word, is derived from the Greek word physis, meaning nature or natural things. It is defined as the science of matter, energy, space and time, the study of interactions between physical systems. What are the different branches of physics? Physics is mainly divided into two branches: classical physics and modern physics. Here, classical physics is further divided into mechanics, thermodynamics, which is related with heat, acoustics, related with sound, optics, related with light, and electromagnetism. And modern physics is further divided into atomic and nuclear physics and quantum physics. Dear students, this year in the 9th standard, you are going to learn dynamics, which is a sub-branch of physics in which the following chapters you are going to study. First one is motion, second one force and laws of motion, and gravitation, work and energy, and sound. Here we are concluding this session. We'll continue learning in the next session. Thank you everyone.